Let's move along to 3 Stock Lunch, now trading some key names making headlines today. We welcome back CNBC contributor Michael Farr to do the honors today. Michael, welcome back. And let's start with AT&T, up a nice 4%. Kelly. And they're having a pretty good year, honestly. They just revealed a plan to achieve $18 billion in free cash flow by 2027, a blueprint to expand fiber internet availability to enhance their 5G network, and the shares are up 40% this year.
It's been a great year for AT&T, and I'm a little mixed on this one, Kelly, because it has done so well. It's hard to buy something after it's run up 40%, and yet the runway for AT&T still looks okay. Does it have another 10% or 20%? I'm not sure, but one thing I know is it matters what you pay for a stock. That's really, really important, what you pay, and your future returns will depend on it. So, not outrageous. Stock could go higher from here. I think I'd probably find somewhere else to invest my money, but if you own it, I'd hold it. You could probably play it for a continued trade. I do remember going back into the 80s when AT&T was the only stock you had to check for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. You'd find out, you'd yell across and you'd say, what's telephone doing? Telephone's up 3/8. We're having a good day. My good buddy and dear friend Art Cashin and the Friends of Fermentation are a little bit in mourning today for Art, but Art was the AT&T guy. You just ask him.
Indeed. Well, the S&P is up more than 30% over 12 months. Well, next up, Tesla CEO Elon Musk losing his bid to have his $56 billion pay package reinstated. A Delaware judge upholding an earlier ruling in a case brought forth by Tesla shareholders, some of them who accused the pay package approval from 2018 of being, quote, deeply flawed, unquote, in a process. Michael?
John, I'm so glad that you're coming to me on this one and not Kelly, because last time I was on, I said sell it, and the thing's continued to go straight up. And listen, as an investment, Tesla makes no sense. $1 trillion market cap, they make 1.8 million cars. Ford, GM, and Stellantis make 15 million cars, and this trades at 4 times the valuation, 4 times the capitalization. It's a $1 trillion company. What are they going to do to grow earnings? This thing is overvalued by any measure. It's a hope and a prayer company. If you want to trade it and think you can get in and out, Bitcoin feels the same way to me because I don't know that there's any there underneath.
I wasn't going to call you out, Michael, mostly because I didn't remember that, honestly. So thank you for bringing it up.
Yeah, you're too nice, Kelly.
Let's move along to U.S. Steel, with the president-elect repeating his vow to block Nippon Steel's planned purchase of the company. That has the shares down 8%. What do you think?
There's nothing wrong with U.S. Steel. There's just nothing really right with U.S. Steel. This is a slow growth. They're making a little bit of money. They don't really have a dividend. They don't have a real upside. Nippon, that, acquisition, merger, whatever you want to call it, was a bit of a Hail Mary. It was a bit of hope. Otherwise, they've been behind the curve. They're really not going anywhere. There's nothing wrong with it. But if you're investing to grow your money, U.S. Steel is not the place as far as I'm concerned.
All right, Michael. Thanks. So you want to leave us with parting thought? Market ends the year higher or lower from where we are right now?
Ends the year higher, and God bless Art Cashin. What a great gift he was to all of us.
Thank you for saying that. We haven't gotten the chance yet. We miss him so much. I always think of his saying, he'd always say, stay alert, stay nimble. And that's as true now as it ever was. Michael, thanks. Appreciate it. Michael Farr.